So here we go. This is my second video unboxing. The first one for this machine. My Gatebox actually ended up coming yesterday or the day before. I didn't even realize it was on the way until I received a notice from the post office saying that I received the package from Japan. If you guys know, then Gatebox is a personal assistant that was kind of crowdfunded a year ago, a couple months ago. So let's open this bad boy and check it out. Apologize for the video. Didn't really have another place to shoot this. Definitely nice. The box feels pretty high quality. It's not that heavy. I carried it by myself, so the size is a bigger issue than anything else. So I'm about to pull it out, and then I will keep going from there. So after pulling it out, this is what you're left with. Nice blue and black. Has some cubes on the side. Nice little Gatebox logo. After grabbing that cover off, it's a nice styrofoam layer. A little manual. Thank you for pre-ordering Gatebox. To be safe, redesign and detail. Operating instructions. Tutorial. It's actually in English. I wasn't even expecting that. That's pretty nice. My Japanese is a little rusty, but probably make a separate video with setting it up. That's your little maid character or waifu. Nice. So there it is in a little cradle. It's about the size of a two mini towers, I guess, stacked on each other. And the cylindrical area is about, I want to say about 4 liters maybe. 3 or 4 liters. Pretty cool. Here's the battery pack. Or not really a battery, it's a power supply. Second half of the power supply cable. And that's it for that. Put that aside. Don't really see much else yet. So I'll put this down and pull it out. So after getting out of the box, this is what you're looking at. It's about 1 foot wide, about 1.5 feet deep, and about 2 feet high. It's not much to look at without the power on and set up. Nice little detailing. Just looking at it, it almost looks like a huge coffee maker. Nice, sleek black. Obviously, I'm not supposed to open that. Do not open. Nice. Was it worth spending that much money on? Probably not, but it should be fun. I'll probably make another movie or video setting it up, or once I get it set up.